Hey, I'm Marianna. Yeah, cute. I'm Marianna, and this is Truman, my Cape Parrot, and he has been doing pretty well in his new cage, which is smaller than the one he used to have before, but since he got his injury... Hey, Rachel! Are you looking at the toys too? She's like, I want to get them. So, he's been doing pretty well, and has been pretty playful and chewing up his toys, so I refilled some of his skewers and made some new toys for him. And let's see how he likes them. Hey, Truman, what are you doing? Are you silly boy? I know, you're so cute. Look at this big one. Look at this big one. What do you think about it? Huh? Truman, that is not a toy, though. Rachel. Truman, I got a few more. Yeah, look at this one. He has to check every single one of them. Is that good? Is that good? What about this one? What about this one? So I made most of these toys myself. I had to really consider what kind of parts I give him because he actually got a little sore on his tongue from chewing harder wood. And that is not a concern for most parrots, but I guess he's a special buddy, so I used some more natural, safer, I guess softer parts. I'll watch more videos with Truman and Rachel and Kitty, and a lot of tips about training and just our lifestyle with birds at parrotwizard.com.